This video, I'm going to take you through the various type of ligands and their names. So we would have to know the types of ligands and their names before we'll be able to name any coordination complex. And for now, for the ligands, we have those that are neutral and those that are anionic and those that are cations too. So for the neutral ligands, let's look at the various type of neutral ligands before. The first one, we have water. Water as a ligand is called aqua, and we have Na3 as a ligand is called amine. Amine, notice that the amine is double M, and NO3, which is called nitrosyl. They are neutral. If we are considering them as a ligand, they don't have any charge. So we have nitrosyl, we have CO, which is carbonyl. We have CS, which is called thiocarbonyl. And we have EN, which is called ethylene diamine. Others to also call it ethane 1,2-diamine. So these are the list of neutral ligands that we have here. Knowing these ligands is okay. These are the list of neutral ligands. And let's look at the anionic ligands. For the anionic ligands, they usually end with the suffix O. Let's say anionic with the suffix O. So let's start. Chlorine as a ligand is called chloro. Bromine as a ligand is called bromo. So O2- as a ligand is called oxo. O2- as a ligand is called peroxo. I intentionally arrange them in order for us to be able to get it clearly. O2- oxo, O2- peroxo, and N3- as a ligand is called azido. S2 as a ligand, S2 as a ligand is called sulfido. SO2- as a ligand is called sulfur 2. So sulfur 2. Let's continue with the anionic ligands. We're still with the anionic ligands. So anionic, like usual, their name usually end with the suffix O. So S2O3 2- is called thio. We end at sulfur 2. So this one is called thio sulfate ion. SO for 2- as a ligand is called this one. SO2- is sulfite, sulfite. SO2- is sulfite, and SO for 2- is sulfur 2 as a ligand. And LCN- is called thiocyanal 2. This is called thiocyanal 2. What if we have something like this NCS-, like the reverse of thiocyanal 2? It's going to be called isothiocyanal 2. N triple bond C is called isocyano. NO2 minus is called, as a ligand, is called nitro. We are still with the anionic ligands. Sorry. So what if we have NO3 minus? It's actually called nitrito. Nitrito. Like you see here, you have NO2 minus called nitro, NO3 minus nitrito, ONO called, sorry, this is actually nitrate. It's actually nitrate like this, nitrate, and this is nitrito. What of NH2 minus? This is called amido. NH2 minus, and this is imido. So far we've named most of the anionic ligands and the neutral ligands. These are the neutral ligands and their names, and the anionic ones with their names. So let's look at the cationic ones, cationic ligands that are cations. I'll mention only a few of them. For them, their name usually end with the suffix IUM. So we can have something like this, NO plus, and it is called nitrosonium. And we can have something like this too, which is called nitronium. Notice the difference very well. Nitronium. This nitrosonium, this nitronium. So we'll end this video here. This is only for ligands and their names, and I'll continue with the ligands, and with the video 2 we got to know the types of ligands and how they are named. So for instance, we're going to look at unidentate ligands, bidentate, ambidentate, and polydentate ligands. So in the next video, and don't also forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video for more of videos like this. And we also treat naming of coordination compounds. You can check that video out. Thank you.